Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're going to talk about this new Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. The phone has been released guys, and I have this mystic bronze color with me. As you guys can see, it comes also in two more colors, mystic black and mystic white. Okay guys, so let's talk about some cool features. First of all, the screen size is 6.9 inch, and the primary camera, the back camera, is 108 megapixel guys, and the RAM is 12 GB, and the battery is 4500 milliampere guys. So these are some of the basic features. So if we talk about the display, it has dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touchscreen guys, and the size, as I already told you, is 6.9 inch. The Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and it has Android 10, and the memories, it comes in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 128 GB guys. So there are three cameras, the three main cameras. The first one is 108 megapixel, then the secondary one is 12 megapixel, and then there is 5x optical zoom and 50x hybrid zoom guys. Okay, and it comes with LED flash, auto HDR, and panorama. Okay guys, amazing features. And the front camera, the selfie camera, is 10 megapixel. Okay guys, and it has dual video call, auto HDR, and it does not have 3.5 jack. If we talk about battery, the battery is non-removable 4500 milliampere battery, and it has fast charging options as well guys. And if we talk about the some of the its dimensions or weight, the weight is 208 gram, and the single sim, it comes in single sim and the dual sim, and it has a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixel. And if we talk about chipset, it's Exynos, and card slot micro SD, and uses shared sim slot guys. Okay guys, and it has as I told you, the screen is 25% more brighter screen, and it has the 12 GB RAM, and it can charge 50% with 30-minute charging guys. And the amazing feature, one of the other amazing feature, it comes with the S Pen, and the S Pen touch sensitivity is really cool, and when you use it, then you definitely feel the difference between the previous Samsung Galaxy Note and this Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra guys. So I will make more videos about this amazing phone, and I will share more videos with you guys. So guys, please like my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys.